God bless you, viewers. This is your boy Marcus J. Wilson. This time I am back to comment on an episode of Amen that I just saw called Don't Rain on My Shower. With an episode featuring 227 actress Jackie, also known as Sandra Clark. Well, anyway, on this episode, Thelma reunites with a friend named Florence, who was played by Jackie. So she wanted to rub Ruben, right? Rub it in that she was engaged to Ruben right into this woman's face. She kept on until she started crying about a guy named Charles. My husband Charles, he left me. No more waffles, no more Charles. Why? You know, that episode was funny. She walked out Thelma's shower she walked out during Thelma's shower and got scared after seeing Ruben's picture. And it was funny, and I do mean funny. I just love this episode so much. I'm going to give it a big 100. Ooh. Charles. Why? They were mocking her too. And that's what I love about this episode. God bless and have a nice day. Oh, Charles!